Nah, mepetin dulu. Satu, dua, tiga. Shoot. Alright.
The whole place shut down!
Wuh.
Vulnerable there, Captain! Fire!
Fire terus. Fire.
All exposed!
Kita
Take the shot
tembak
away.
layarnya. Layar. Layar ya namanya.
There's
Dari
something
jauh,
shot the
coy.
cripple up.
Oh, apakah dia mau menabrak kita? Oh, jangan. What? Well. Kembali lagi cuy. Kita akan melanjutkan gameplay Assassin's Creed Black Flag di PS4. Oke, langsung saja kita mainkan. Jadi bajak laut ya, sekarang sudah punya kapal. Itu Jack Daw namanya. Bersama wakil kapten Bahlil. Alright, sekarang kita posisinya ada di laut. Mana ini? Di laut Dry Tortuga ya. Bersama kapal kita Jack Daw dan kapten kita wakil kapten kita si Bahlil atau ada Wale nama palsu. Oke, langsung saja kita berlayar ke Abaco Island. Pulau Abaco cuy. Sail.
Royal! Start!
Iya. Wait. Hati-hati ya, ada di laut ini karena dia laut bebas ya, jadi ada banyak kapal-kapal. Di sini ada kapal Spanyol. Ada juga ada kapal itu nggak kelihatan. Terus juga apa ya? Ada pulau-pulau di sini cuy. Ada pulau-pulau kecil, pulau besar.
Larboard, Captain!
Apakah bisa kita hampiri pulau-pulau? Rescue. Coba ini kita rescue. Dapat kru ya, satu. Bisa lebih cepat. Look at location. Oh, ada pulau kecil di situ ya. Kita travel speed karena di sini nggak ada mobil ya, nggak ada pesawat juga zaman ini kayaknya. Jadi kita kemana-mana itu harus berlayar. Di tahun berapa ya ini? Tahun-tahun kejayaan bajak laut. Kita ke sini. Shell. Wait, jangan sampai tertabrak. Jangan sampai tertabrak pulau ya. Kita labuh di sini, berlabuh. Berlabuh apa sih? Berlabuh apa? Bersandar.
Down on land, Captain!
Sandar di sini cuy. Ya kan?
Those all but me!
Woi. Tabrak tuh. Oke. Abaco Island. Wait.
Tax the sea!
Renang. Bajak laut sudah pasti bisa berenang. Disuruh apa ya? Hunting tuh. Hunting and crafting. Oke, ini bisa kalian baca sendiri ya. bisa ditranslate sendiri nanti apa. Oke. Ocelot, iguana. Ocelot dan iguana. Itu apa tuh? What is this? Oh, ocelot. Ocelot seperti apa? Macan tutul ya. Ocelot. Cari lagi cuy. Perlu 2. Sama iguana 1. Ah, sana. Jauhan. Terus mendekat. Masih kejauhan. Alright. Dapat sih. Satu. Oke. 2 sudah cukup ya. Kita nggak boleh ngambil berlebih ya, karena kita harus menjaga kelestarian alam. Ambil secukupnya aja. 2 cukup. Sekarang kita cari iguana. Sana kayaknya ada iguana. Iguana tuh. Ada 2. Alright. Oke. Crafting. Pistol. Pistol holster. Dan juga armor ya kayaknya. Upgrade armor. Oke, sudah. Udah cuy. Mid Bahlil. Ntar ya kita synchronize dulu. Ada chest. Oh, lumayan ya. Di atas itu segitiga apa itu, cuy? Mana cara ngambilnya ya? Gak bisa kita ambil. Oh, dari pohon ini kayaknya. Dari pohon. Nah, naik sini dulu. Wait, bukanlah naik, cuy. Terus, oh bisa memanjat seperti itu ya. Fragmen. Ada lagi 1 fragmen di sini. Di atas itu cuy. Mana ngambilnya ha? Oh, lewat sana. Oh. Buk ya. Oke, naik. Mantap. Udah ya. Kita kembali ke kapal. Ketemu ada Wale. Return to ship. ada wali. Bahlil. Apa kau, Bahlil?
Ahoy, Captain. Find what you need.
My needs and wants are oceans apart, mate. But I did fashion myself a new holster. All I need now is a pistol to lie in it.
Yeah. Taken from the holes, just as you said.
Little more than a blowpipe. But it'll do. So, are we rested? Or should we idle a while longer?
Best way anchor. I think the crew is itching to reach civilization.
You'll find no civilization in Nassau. But it's a fine place to be merry all the same.
What? Complete? Segitu aja misinya? Oke. Continue aja ya langsung. Cuma mencari bahan. Apa ini? Multi pistol. Press segitiga.
Head out some sail!
What?
Crowd on every inch of sail!
We ride the wind.
Misinya
For all it's worth.
cuma mencari apa tadi ya? Kulit-kulit, skin-skin. Mana lagi nih? Ada pulau yang lumayan besar cuy. Ada istana juga. Apa ini? Nassau. Oke. Kita pergi ke Nassau. Kok marah kayak muka marah si Edward. Kenapa?
Go on, Captain Queernabs. Tell me I'm under arrest. Tell me!
Them your breads.
Fly away, boyo! Back to your master! Aye. We was privateers together before the wars ended. I'll see you ashore.
Oke, di Nassau. Kita aktifkan fast travel dulu aja kayaknya ya, biar gampang. Biar kita bisa fast travel aja biar lebih cepat jalannya. Karena cukup luas. Ini ya. Lewat mana, coy? Ini kah? Gampang ya manjatnya, tinggal nahan R2 aja udah. Dia manjat sendiri cuy. Repot. Jam. Ada 7 synchronization di sini. Oh, ada peti. Bentar ya. Ambil peti dulu. Orang mancing. Lumayan.
Well, you've certainly got a nerve.
Ambil peti yang kelihatan di map ya. Lumayan cuy uangnya cuy. Oh. Ini objektif bukan objektif sih. Apa sih? Questnya di sini ya. Oke. Woi, Bahlil. Sudah di sini aja sih Bahlil.
By God, you're a sight for salty eyes. Come you in and have a drink.
Morning, all.
I can wait. Who's this?
Adewale, the Jackdaw's quartermaster.
Jackdaw. You named your brig after a poxy bird.
Ade, these lads are the better part of our growing confederacy here. Ed Thatch, Ben Hornigold, James Kidd.
You let him carry a pistol, do you?
Peace, Ben. Ade saved my life. And now we're looking to find a crew to fill out the rest of my ship.
Well, there's scores of capable men about. But use caution. A shipload of the King's sailors showed up a fortnight back, causing trouble and knocking about like they own the place.
Right. I'll see who I can muster.
Jackdaw's crew. Kayaknya kita harus cari kru ya untuk kapal Jackdaw. Pertama bisa di hire, bayar ya, terus bisa kita cari dari membantu bajak laut ya yang dapat masalah.
Send any men you find to the Jackdaw. I'll put them to work.
Cheers, Ade.
Kemana dulu ya? Ini dulu ya. Nah, itu sih. Di atas. Dapat 4 tadi ya. Masih kurang 11 lagi cuy. Bentar, kita aktifkan fast travel dulu kayaknya ya. Banyak jaga aja ya, nanti aja ya.
Lord should deal with it. That can't be legal.
Di atas. Nah, di sini cuy, ada cuy. Woi. Double assassin. Naik dulu ya, synchronize. Naik. Gak bisa naik. Oke. Lumayan ya. Lumayan. Kayaknya ada peti di sini cuy, tapi nggak ada di sini. Di mana ya? Mana petinya? Di dalam sini kah? Nanti aja lah ya. Ke mana lagi? Ntar cari yang paling dekat. Gak ada yang dekat cuy, jauh semua. Ini aja kayaknya ya. Sebelah kanan. Dah. Kan yang tadi.
Spit for the dogs!
Bukan. Wait. Wait. Alright. Kecil kah? Tahuan cuy tapi. Ngapain kamu cari? Hah? Aku di sini, di atas. Kalah cuy, mencari di situ. Cari 3 orang lagi. Cari 3 orang. Lah, di sini lagi. Respawn ya. No. Terlambat. Bentar, kita ini. Sabar kita pakai pedang. Alright. Maju. Langsung masuk ke dalam situ ya. Terlambat kita cuy, menyelamatkan 1 orang. Kalau telah beberapa ya, lumayan. Itu kita ambil kah? Kita bawa pistol cuy. Mana tadi pistol? Pistol cuy. Tembak.
One way or another, you'll come.
Mantap.
Grazie. My thanks. I'm your man now, Capitano.
Oke. Udah ya. Lagi kah? Reach the hanging. Belum lagi cuy. Kayaknya ada yang mau digantung. Mana?
Captain Henry, come fast.
Oh, itu cuy.
There's soldiers of Captain Lannon. We need to hang him.
Bears the blood of many innocents on his hands. His Majesty's honorable representative has decreed. I've got a clear shot.
No. Nah, tembak kita. Bisa pakai manusia ya untuk berlindung. No. Bentar. No, nggak sempat. Duh. Oke. Berhasil. Kabur. Kita yang nembak. Dari atas cuy. Oke, selamat ya. What gitu doang, nggak bilang apa gitu, thank you kah atau terima kasih atau apa gitu. Cuma ditepuk pundak saja tadi, cuma ditepuk pundak. Sudah 15 orang sudah kita kumpulkan. Terjatuh. Balik ke tavern.
Now you'll want to sail somewhere rich with plunder.
Have you heard of a place called the Observatory?
Aye, it's an old legend, like El Dorado or the Fountain of Youth.
What have you heard?
It's meant to be a temple or a tomb, hiding a treasure of some kind.
That's it. See here.
Oh, rot. It's fairy stories you prefer to gold, is it?
It's worth more than gold, Thatch. 10,000 times above what we could pull off any Spanish ship.
Robbing the king to pay his porpoise is how we earn our keep here, lad. It ain't a fortune. It's a fantasy.
Oke, misi merekrut apa tadi? Merekrut awak kapal sudah selesai ya. Lumayan juga misinya. Terlalu gampang ya. Terlalu gampang misinya, cuma merekrut doang. Nggak ada story, nggak ada apa. Cuma berbicara dengan teman-temannya yang ada di masa lalu.
He's a pirate! He's the pirate!
Kurir, kita menangkap seorang kurir. Oke, ketemu lagi dengan teman-teman alumni seperjuangan ya.
Morning, Kenway.
Not a bad-looking tinderbox you got there.
You sound a bit green, Hornigold. Is it envy? Because mine's bigger than yours.
No, I reckon it's this Jamaican funk. I prefer the Spanish stuff. So, you've got yourself a fancy brig now. Fine. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to sail her right. And how to take a prize the proper way. Thatch, we'll catch you up at the old fishing village.
Aye.
Where's your helmsman, Kenway?
I take pride in piloting my own ships, Ben. Keeps me alert.
Let's make some headway, shall we?
I've no need for schooling. How many prizes did we take together as privateers?
There's a chasm of difference between joining a raid and captaining one. We're looking out for merchants, boys! Them that's fat with cargo! Find us a schooner with that spyglass, Kenway. You'll get yourself a glimpse of what sort of cargo they're shipping and a general idea of their toughness. Are you trifling with me, lad? Take out your spyglass.
Spyglass, pakai apa ini? Teropong kah? Cari
There's a
schooner.
prize worth taking.
Good. Take us in close. After you subdue a prize, project authority. Demand respect that you would never give yourself. This weaves a spell over soft minds.
For your victims must always have in the back of their minds the uneasy idea that you could snap at any moment and unseam them from prick to sternum. Fire what cannons you will, and land a few strikes if you must. But for God's sake, don't sink her. It's no fun fishing cargo out of the sea.
Enggak,
Although it can be done.
kayak yang harus kita tembak. Kita mulai membajak laut ya, belajar membajak laut.
They're trying to flee!
Nggak usah diajari harusnya ya.
We're gonna hit them!
Udah bisa sih Edward ini. Oh, apa ini? When a ship on fire, you can either. Oke. Kita bisa board.
She's disabled now and taking on a decent amount of water. So keep your cannons quiet. Take care not to sink her. Oh, she's dead in the water. Steer up alongside her.
Oh, harus mendekat.
Let's go! Reef the topsails and gather!
Get those clues up!
Board.
Drag them to that dude! You're gonna see those up!
Serius kah? Tembak kan? Alright, kena. Haha, meledak. Ada lagi. Bisa cuy. Bisa ke sana, mentok. Let's go. Ah. Alright. Kita bajak kapal mereka. Ada satu. Iya, carok. Ya, menyerah yang lain. Dia mau menghabiskan semuanya.
Que tengo un buen dia, señor. I am Captain Hornigold, and this is my crew. We're sailors like yourselves, but quite unalike in our purpose. For we intend to take all that you own. Yet no harm shall befall any man so long as he remains at ease. Is that clear?
No me mate, señor. Tengo familia. Se lo suplico.
Anyone speak English? Inglés?
Little bit.
Tell your friends we're stealing your goods, and we won't hurt nobody if everyone stays as still as a sandbar. You got that?
Please to repeat.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Lock him in the hold, and take everything that isn't nailed down.
Gained loot. Kita dapat 25 kain, 10 ram dan 1 crew member. Shipboarding kita bisa repair the Jackdaw. Baiki.
We now have the materials required to make the ship stronger, sir.
It's a shaky feeling sailing about with this much stolen cargo.
Get used to it. We'll need to take a few more prizes to make this a profitable day.
Cari lagi ya.
Spain sails!
Cari
Let's ride this boat, lads.
berapa?
Loose all and trim
25 lagi. Kita cari scooter lagi.
Party like.
Scooter. Nah, ada ini. Kita tembak saja. Mantap. Tembak. Duh. Fire.
Eat her sticks!
Hail off and reef! Reef, I say!
Get the mainsails into the wind!
Kita board.
Four tops loose!
Kita bajak ya.
Say morto!
Tunggu. Board.
Pull! Reel the lubbers in!
Tembak dulu coy dari sini coy. Biar meringankan beban kita nanti pas menjarah ya. Dua lagi. Kita Satu lagi. Mati semua. Ah. Dapat 25 kayu, 10 gula dan 1 crew member.
Good take today, Kenway. Half a dozen scores of that size and you'll be set for a year.
No.
Now let's sell this cargo and fix up your jackdaw with a few more
Aduh.
trinkets.
Sod it, yeah? I'm looking for a price that will set me up for life. King of the West Indies, then?
We came to Nassau to get away from the likes of kings.
Well, I'll be a man of property and promise anyway.
Jesus, let that dream go, lad. Nassau is the place to be, not England.
Do you ever dream of the big skull? A ship so full of gold and silver, just split it and sail home.
Sure, but it's only a dream. Every man hopes to find a dozen chests of gold with no owners. They're as rare as an honest king.
Nah, kita
Where's your bones? We're coming together!
membajak satu kapal lagi nih. Lumayan. Sebelum kita berlanjut ya. Tembaki aja biar cepat. 2 lagi.
Keep my deck clear!
Gak kena cuy. Satu lagi. Oh. Oh. Satu lagi. Ah, nanggung. Iya. Edward Kenway dilawan. Wood, kain, dan crew member 1. Lumayan lah. Okay.
We have looted some goods useful for upgrading the ship, sir.
Kita sail ke Salt. Mana tadi? Salt Key. Seru juga ya menjarah kapal-kapal tadi ya. Kita tadi menjarah kapal-kapal kecil cuy. Gak ada kapal yang seukuran kita cuy. Kapalnya kecil-kecil tadi. Makanya gampang ya. Ini masih pagi hari lah, siang hari lah ya. Ombaknya cukup tenang. Gak ada ombak yang seperti tornado kemarin. Ini dia nyanyi-nyanyi ini. Semoga tidak copyright ya. Shanty gitu namanya. Nyanyian para pelaut dulu ya. Kita bersandar di sini. Dok. Bersandar. Kaki bang. Hah? Bang? Bang. Bang. Tadi suruh beli apa ini? Intermediate hull. Intermediate hull. Apa itu, cuy?
¿Puedo ayudarlo en algo?
Bye. Oh, kita upgrade si Jack Daw. 100.000 real harganya. Kita punya 6.400, masih ada sisa ya. Alright, sudah bagus cuy.
Not a bad take today. Keep this up and Nassau will be the first city where men and women may live as God made them. Easy and free. All it takes is a few drops of blood, sweat, and a swatch of cloth.
We fly no colors out here. Praise the lack of them. So let the black flag signal nothing but your allegiance to man's natural freedoms. This one's yours. Fly it proud.
I will.
A hand over the docket I lent you. If we're to keep our republic afloat, we'll need guns as well as gold.
That means attacking the Navy.
So long as they're flying King Philip's colors will not offend our own monarch. As you've likely seen, the number of merchants roving these waters is 70 the number of military ships.
Aye, easy purchase, but in small doses.
Right. So to lure the Navy out of hiding, it's best to cause a bit of mischief.
Catch a few small fish to attract the big ones.
That's right. So plunder and pillage as you see fit, Captain Kenway.
Let out some sail!
Wah, gak pernah puas ya bajak laut. Kita cari metal lagi, besi sekarang.
I think we've lost them, sir.
Gak ada metal. Cari yang ada metalnya aja. Spyglass. Cari
Sail ho!
kapal yang lebih
Military
besar.
class brig on the horizon.
Good eye, man. Are you ready for this, Kenway? She won't go down without an honest fight.
Who's up for taking that brig, lads?
So die!
That's a sound I like to hear. Pipe to quarters. All hands to cannons.
Careful around the Navy. They're as likely to ram you as fire a broadside.
Let's test those powder barrels against them, shall we?
Aye, good thinking.
Ah, ini cuy.
Shorten sail. Get off the squall.
Topsails in. Crew up.
As much sail as you can.
Aloft, lads. Check those royals.
Tembak.
All hands to steer.
Look, cabin. Put a shot right through there. Ready to fire. Cannon ready. Take a shot right there, sir. Fire.
Jar.
Fire.
Metalnya cuy kita butuhkan.
Pick is right there, cabin.
Metal itu apa ya? Besi.
Go, full sail.
No. Tabrak tidak.
Give me some speed.
Awas ya.
Race to what we're gonna have.
Sebentar. Ya, alright.
Wipe 'em out. Fire.
Mantap cuy.
If she tries to ram us, drop mine is a great countermeasure.
Take a shot right there, sir.
Ini ya yang enggak menantang, nyawanya banyak cuy. Jadi nggak seperti kayak tadi ya, ini lebih besar kapalnya. Ya, nyawanya lebih besar.
On your mark, captain.
Kayaknya krunya juga lebih banyak ya ini.
Fire. Pick is right there, cabin.
Kapalnya apa ini? Brick.
We're ready, sir.
Brick. Alright. Ya, cuy.
Jump now.
Kita board ya.
Over the top, lads! Kick him in the hands! Give him a taste of British steel!
Oh, yang ini harus membunuh 10 kru. Yang tadi cuma 5. 2 sudah tewas. Habis dari sana. Serang aja kita. Alright. Nah, ini. Come on, ini. No. Kapak. No. Bro, kita hilang satu. Kurang ajar. Ada banyak. Keluar dari bawah. Kerjasama. Satu lagi. Alright. Hasil. Dari tadi Bahlil gak kelihatan dari mana dia. Si wakil kapten kita Bahlil, apakah dia sedang berlibur ya? Liburan terus si Bahlil. Kerjanya enggak. Mantap. Cari 5 lagi, kurang 5. Ini wood. Ada metal. Gua di sana. Ada. Kelihatan cuy. Dekati aja ya. Semakin besar kapalnya berarti semakin banyak nyawanya cuy, dan semakin banyak krunya yang harus kita bunuh saat boarding. Kabut asap menghalangi. Kita bisa lihat. Oke. Ada metal. Kejar ya. Victoria, kapal Victoria. Semoga bisa menang. Kita mepetin dulu. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Alright. Fire terus. Fire. Kita tembak layarnya. Layarnya namanya. Dari jauh coy. Oh, apakah dia mau menabrak kita? Oh, jangan. What? Tabrak coy. Bak. On. Ini pelurunya apakah nggak terbatas ya? Kayaknya nggak terbatas ya peluru. Aman. Ini kita tembak berapa kali? Tap. Aman. Menang lagi tuh. Gampang ya. Cuma nyawanya aja yang banyak. Port. Ngempetin kapal ya, kita begal. Begal sih. Ada yang kena dari tadi tembakan kita. Oh mantap. 1. Dapat 2. Dapat 3 baru keluar ya. Langsung meninggal. No. Belum siap, sudah dilepas saja ya. Alright. Mana lagi? Oke. Good. Kapak ini gimana? Oke, berhasil. Alright. Disepak saja ya sama Cristiano Edward. Dapat metal, gula, t-shirt dan 3 crew member.
That was a rumble, by God. How do we fare?
A fine purchase, no mistake. Now I think it's time to lay low and bribe our way back into secrecy.
Agreed. So, how do we get rid of this notoriety we've stirred up?
Money, my boy. A well-placed bribe to the right government official will see the military off your tail.
Right, let's do that. I'll need to meet these good Samaritans at some point.
Smart thinking.
Ya. Tadi kejar hunter cuy. Kabur aja lah ya. Dan ini dia tadi si Bahlil di sebelah kanan kita cuy. Tadi ada di kapal. Saya kira liburan tadi dia. Ada aja, cuma nggak ikut bertarung aja dia. Kemana sih? Ngakut ya si Bahlil ini ya. Ada Wale Bahlil. Awas ketabrak. Belok.
I think we're clear, sir.
Ease off the wind! You're bound away to Kingston Town, that's where you're bound to go.
Alright, mulus ya. Sandar dulu.
Call down and crew up! Crew up tops! Douse those men!
Banyak cakap si Bahlil tadi. Pas bertarung kamu diam aja dari tadi. No, ngapain ini? Layang-layang ya, kayak Tarzan. Salty. Ketemu dengan lokal officer. Oh, need to disappear. Subscribe. It's allowed to replay mission. Huh? Shit. No. Watt level reset. Oke, kita sudah mereset watt level kita. Udah nggak dikejar sama hunter lagi ya. Kita synchronize dulu lah sebentar lah. Biar gampang nanti kalau kita kesini lagi. Digepak saja sama si Cristiano Edward. Sir Edward ya, Edward Kenway. Tinggi juga ya. Ini pulaunya berkabut asap. Alright, total sudah berapa yang kita synchronize tadi? Udah lumayan banyak. Boy broadside cannon. Apa itu? Mana coy? Oh ini kamar kita. Ruangan si kapten. Tadi suruh beli ini coy. Ini. Dah. Teriak-teriak gak jelas ya. Suara Bahlil.
You're a wonder, Kenway. You've a knack for this kind of work.
It ain't work if you love it. But I ain't doing this forever, lads. Only until I get enough coin to buy some land and influence back home.
Jesus, will you listen to your tripe? Still dreaming on about that strumpet back in England when you could have any better you wanted here and now.
Ah, such lofty goals for you gents. And here I thought I was in the company of scoundrels. Fine purchase today. What's the crew's mood?
All smiles and no teeth. And there's a few talking about meeting with Master Kid to steal from a nearby plantation.
Plantation? That's ambitious.
Profitable too, if we can manage it.
Aye. It's a good idea.
Alright, misi kapal selesai. Membajak bersama teman kita satu perjuangan ya. Semoga kalian suka dengan video gameplay si Assassin Black Flag ini sebagai Edward Kenway. Oke, saja. Please enjoy dan bye bye.